Hello. Um, for today's lesson, so this is the continuation on how we calculate the bulk volume using isopacmap. And this time, the method that we will be using is this pyramid method. This will be the following formula. Okay, we have the bulk volume equals H over 3. Take note that H is the thickness multiplied by A sub n minus 1 plus a sub n plus the square root of a sub n times a sub n minus 1. Okay. Um, this a sub n minus 1, where that is the area of the lower contour level, and this a sub n is the area of the upper contour level. So let's say you already have or you already define this one. Let's say we have the anticline here and you already define the this one is the lower and this one is the higher. Okay, the higher contour level. Okay, this is the a sub n and this is the a sub n minus 1. Okay, and as for the thickness, so this is the thickness of it. Okay, so this is how it is illustrated. Okay, and this uh, formula applies when the conditions or when the condition is met. So this is the condition. So a sub n over a sub n minus 1 is less than or equal to 0.5. As long as the condition is met, then uh, we can apply this formula. Otherwise, we will use the trapezoidal method, the method that we discussed last time. Let's recall the previous problem that we have. So this is the previous problem, right? This is the following given. So we have the contour level, the corresponding area in inches squared, the porosity, the initial water saturation, the initial oil formation volume factor, and as well as the map scale is given. Okay. As usual, the first step here is to analyze the given data. So we already have the given data. And then consider the conversion factor that, that is provided. So I already provide the conversion factor of inches squared to acres. This one, just simply use that to directly compute the given inches squared area to acres for each contour level. So this is the computed acres for each contour levels. Next, let's now evaluate each contour level interval by computing a sub n over a sub n minus 1. Let us know if we satisfy this condition for pyramidal method. If it is you know, if it is less than or equal 0.5. Otherwise, we will use trapezoidal method. Oh, okay. So I already provide the contour level interval. This is the following interval. The values, okay, the a sub n over a sub n minus 1, okay, and if it's satisfy the condition, Is it uh, less than or equal 0.5? So yes or no, and then the corresponding interpretation for each contour level interval. So if no, then we will be using trapezoidal method. Okay, no trapezoidal, no trapezoidal, no trapezoidal, no trapezoidal, and then if yes, then we will be using pyramidal method. Once done doing this interpretation analysis for each contour level interval, let's proceed in calculations. So for the first part, okay, we will be using trapezoidal method from a sub 0, the initial, the lowest contour level up to the a sub 6. From contour level 0 up to 60. Okay, so this will be the following formula. Okay. It is already modified, but it follows the general formula for the trapezoidal method. Feel free to pause this video if you want to check the answer. Okay. And the final bulk volume using the trapezoidal method. So we have BV sub 1, and that is equal to 248,082.5 acre feet. Next, for pyramidal method, the following intervals that is applicable for this method starts from a sub 6 up to a sub 9. Interval uh, 60 up to 86. So I want to give you tips on how to make sure that you are doing this pyramidal method correctly. So based on your analysis here, so this one, as you can see, there are three intervals, okay, that requires pyramidal method, right? So meaning you will use the equation three times for interval 60 to 70, 70 to 80, and lastly 80 to 86. So that's why we have uh, these three equations. Okay, please take note of the following thickness. Okay, this is the thickness of from 60 to 70. We have 10. Okay, next the thickness for 70 to 80. We have also 10. And lastly, the thickness for 80 to 86, it should be 6. No, it should be 6. So that is a typographical error. So it should be 6. Okay. And once you sum up all the bulk volume, so approximately the BV sub 2, we have uh, 258,043 acre feet. Okay, so I did some checking here. So as for the pyramidal method, the bulk volume, it should be approximately around 9,962.97 acre feet. Okay, and combining all the bulk volume from trapezoidal method and pyramidal method, the total bulk volume be around 25 258,044 acre feet. Now, using that information, the bulk volume total, we can proceed in calculating the original oil in place. Take note of the formula in calculating the original oil in place. Using this formula, just simply substitute all the parameters. The We have the conversion factor 7758, the bulk volume, okay. Next, the porosity that is given 0.25, and this uh, the saturation, initial water saturation, we have 0.3. If you calculate 1 minus this initial water saturation, that gives you the oil saturation, right? The initial oil saturation. And that corresponds to 0.7 or 70%. And lastly, the oil formation, the initial oil formation volume factor, that is 1.4. Simply substitute all the parameters, the values, and the original oil in place is approximately 2.5 times 10 raised to 8 STB, or 250 mm STB. So that is how we calculate the bulk volume using a combination of trapezoidal and pyramidal methods, and use that bulk volume to determine the original oil in place.